Papa Dean.
What's up? What's up?
We're going somewhere. Somewhere special.
Get a charge.
Oh, we're gonna get a charge, all right. We're doing something special today, guys. Something crazy. I'm not even gonna tell you what it is. Let's just get there. What is that place? Does that say Tesla? Is that? Holy smokes! Look at all those brand new cars. I wonder why we're here. I don't know why we're at the Tesla dealership.
What's up with these young guys out here?
I mean, I think I just found my brand new Tesla Model 3. I think that's what I got right here. Oh my God, there's the paperwork. Look what I just got. I'm gonna just step on in my brand new Tesla Model 3 real quick. Oh my. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it smells like a brand new pair of shoes in here. Please don't bang the doors. First thing we do in here. All right, let me give you guys a look around. Let me get a look around. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Imagine the road trips. This is amazing. Holy crap. Look at this roof. I can see the stars through here. Look, it's all glass. All glass. And the AC just came on. I didn't even tell it to come on. I don't even know how to control it. Oh, this is just sexy. Look at that. We gotta turn it. We got our auto, so let's turn auto off. We'll turn the fans down. Easy. Easy, easy. It's got a camp mode. Look at that. You got climate control while you're camping. The car will stay on until the battery reaches 20%. Sentry mode. That's crazy. All right, turn it on auto. Look, they even have a dog mode. If you leave your car, calm down. If you leave your dog in the car, you can put it on dog mode because the car is electric. It can just keep running. Okay, so this process is unique. You're not gonna see anything like it. Basically, you get in the car. You don't even need to talk to anyone. You sign some papers, you drop them in a drop box, and you take off. And yeah, this thing is brand new. I've never had a brand new car. Man, we gotta go. We're gonna go for a ride. That's quiet. That's quiet. You don't even hear that, do you?
Nope.
Oh, wow. This thing gets up. Oh! Oh! Okay. Alright. This thing has some ups to it. I can just take off. First highway test, baby. Let's go. Oh my God, this thing picks up. I don't even know how fast I'm going. This is freaking tight. My car can perform. I drove a Prius before this, so like this is like the best thing ever right now. Eventually I'm gonna have to figure out this autopilot function, but man, I love this thing. Definitely a different driving experience. The get up in this thing is awesome. Alright, I'm gonna do it one more time. Whoa, holy shit. Yo, it's crazy, man. So, just to ramble about this a bit, I did pretty well in the stock market this year. So I decided to go ahead and, my car broke down. I've been driving that car for a long time. It's kind of a piece of crap. I decided to just go ahead and get my favorite car. Like, why not, you know? But I'm going to put it to good use because this year I'm going to be taking a lot of road trips. I haven't seen much of America. I've been all over the world. Obviously, you guys have seen the videos. I've been all over the world. I've done a lot. I've never even been to New York, you know, New Jersey. You know, I haven't seen anything. So I was like, why don't I just get a new car? There's a pandemic going on. Why don't I just go see everything I can while I'm stuck in the States? Because I can't travel anywhere. So I was like, that's a good reason to get a Tesla Model 3, baby, and start traveling. So that's what I'm going to do. The other thing about getting this new, too, is like, unlike a regular combustion engine, you know, the wear and tear on this is going to be completely different. There is so much less moving parts in an electric car than there is in a combustion engine. I'm never going to have to replace an alternator. I'm never going to have to replace the oil. I'm never going to have to do any of those things that you typically have to do in a regular combustion engine. And getting used to this lane thing on here, I know you can't see it right now, but it is going to be something. You can use it to tell you where other cars are without even seeing them, because it has sensors all around the car. And I'm not used to that at all. I'm 100% used to just like checking over my shoulder a million times. So this will be interesting. Right now we're cruising up 71, coming from Kansas into Missouri. So nice little cruise through Kansas City, Missouri. Man, don't you love that roof right there, man? Got that halo effect. Them clouds are real. I didn't add that in. That's beautiful. Can't get over how fast this thing is. Oh! Oh my God, I love it. Look at this, all this trunk space. You can actually put the seats down. You could sleep back there. There's enough room. Jumper cables. Oh no, the charging cables.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and pop that bad boy. Look what you got. Space. No engine. Nice. Check this out. Look. There's the charging port. All right, we're gonna learn how to go electric real quick. Maybe. You gotta put your card right here. I guess you can use Apple Pay and stuff like that. Remember that thing you sent me? And then you just put it right here, and then you can go. Hold your card until you hear a beep. Your card is now authorizing. Your card is now authorized. Okay, so pull this out. Oh, it came out finally. All right, let's try it out. Oh, looks like we need an adapter. Okay, so yeah, you definitely need an adapter. That goes into the Tesla, that goes into there. Cool. All right, let's charge it. Right. Let's go find that smiley guy. Damn boy.
What's up, man?
Hey, what's up, man?
Nothing. So I'm getting ready to go to work.
Can you come outside for a minute?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on a second.
All right.
What's good, boy? Nice, man. What up?
Damn, Mike. This is Model 3?
Yep.
Ooh. First step evolution. Nice, man. Dig the color, man.
Wanna go for a ride?
Yeah.
Yeah, go to this quick trip up here.
We gonna put gas in?
Quit playing on the gas. Sweet, dude.
Stuff is stuff.
Oh, man. Look at this open roof. I like it.
Where we going on a trip, boy?
First step.
First, we're going to quick
First
trip.
step in the brand new Model 3. Yeah, this is awesome.
No seatbelt for that boy. You gonna wish you had one.
Why? I'm not worried about it. Ooh.
Wait till
Man, you don't even need the diesel power. I want one now,
no.
especially because of this.
You
Does this open? Does this open?
No.
But still,
It's just even like when I'm camping and stuff, you can see all the
all
stars.
stars.
Yeah,
Jeez, man.
it's quick, man, but you can just go from freaking nothing to something.
Real quick. Yeah, I see that.
Oh, what you think?
I think it's beauty. It's fast. That's probably the craziest thing. It'll get up to 60 in like probably 4 seconds. It's fast, it seems smooth. There's a lot of room in there. You've got a lot of trunk space. I'd buy one. I'd buy one.
I just hit traffic, and I just figured out how to turn the autopilot on, and this thing is driving me right now, and it's freaking me out because I am not used to this. But it's doing it! Look at this! Oh, this is so cool. Oh my God. Okay, I can't get used to this. I gotta drive myself. Autopilot. Oh my god, it's so weird. Oh, is it gonna stop? Are we gonna hit this semi? I cannot like keep my hand on the wheel. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's so tight. It's driving itself. Ah! Just hit my very first supercharged station. Right back there. Can't really see him, but let's go try this out. Alright, let's see. Just plug it up. Okay. Starting supercharge. Okay. When I put into the GPS that I was going to go supercharge it, it said something about preparing the battery for supercharge beforehand. So I thought that was really interesting. I've hit a regular charger before, and those take a couple hours to charge if you just go to like a regular charge point station. This one says it takes about 45 minutes. So it looks like the charging time on these are pretty lengthy. So I'm probably just going to go walk around and let this charge up. But well, guys, officially road trip ready. The Rebuild Milo book by Dr. Aaron Horschig. Shout out, Kansas City. Much love. My bed is ready. Got my tent down there. And some supplies. Where's the engine at? Where's the engine at? Oh, it doesn't have one. Oh, hello. If you've made it this far, I know what you're thinking. Mike, how can I have a Tesla and road trip across the country like you do? Guys, if you want to support this road trip, this channel, and what I'm doing, and you have thought about trading stocks or cryptocurrency or buying a Tesla, well, I got the perfect solution for you. Why don't you just use my links below? Webull, a stock brokerage account that'll give you 2 free stocks for signing up after you deposit $100, as well as give me free stocks. Valued up to over $1,000. I don't remember the exact number, but it's right here. But if stocks isn't your thing, maybe you want to sign up to a cryptocurrency brokerage, Voyager Digital. Use my code and sign up to Voyager Digital and deposit $100, and you will get $25 of Bitcoin, and so will I. Oh my God, amazing. And if you're a big baller already and you're like, you know what? I want a Tesla. Use my Tesla referral code, please. You'll get these benefits right here, and I will get $1,000 worth of supercharge, which will help a lot on this road trip because I have thousands of miles to drive. So if you would like to support me, please use my referral codes. Or you can just like and subscribe as well. That would be really, really helpful. I would very much appreciate that. But also, you could comment below saying, I support you, Mike. And I will be very grateful. All that helps with the YouTube algorithm. So, arigato gozaimasu. Thank you guys. And we'll see you in the next one.